welcome to Tutorials by David, and in this video we'll be having a quick how-to tutorial of how to use OpenRouter and VSCode. Integrating or using OpenRouter and various code has never been easier because of their updates. So thanks to them. So here are the steps from the OpenRouter itself. So if you want to do the VS Code, here are what you need to do. You want to open and sign up to your OpenRouter website and create an API key. Then install a VS Code extension, which can be Cline, Rucode, or Continue. So you want to configure the extension, open it, the extension settings, and then find the provider settings and select OpenRouter. Paste your API that has been done in the first step. Then select models in the extension chat or command palette. Choose from the available models like DeepSeek, GPT-4, Claude, or Llama to chat or get code assistance. Next is monitor usage. Some extensions like open credits or built-in features let you monitor your free tier usage or paid credits directly in the VS Code status bar.